Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we'll be doing a quick speed test comparison of two devices around the 25,000 price segment in India. We have the newly launched Moto Edge 50 Neo and we also have the recently launched Vivo T3 Pro. So these are two devices around the 20 to 25,000 price segment. Both have really good hardware. Let's see the about phone on these two devices. So this is powered by the Dimensity 7300 chip with 8GB RAM. We have 256GB storage. This is Android 14 out of the box. You can see here Moto Edge 50 Neo, and this is again coming with a custom Moto's UI. Now here we have Vivo T3 Pro with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 mobile platform. Once again 8GB RAM, Android 14 out of the box. This has 256GB storage variant. Now both of these devices are UFS 2.2 storage and LPDDR4X RAM, so storage and RAM remains almost the same. The processor varies. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 is definitely more powerful than the Dimensity 7300 chip. So let's begin the speed test comparison. So let's just check the network settings. So both are we are just turning on both into the airplane mode. So there we go, we have just enabled the airplane mode. We turned on the Wi-Fi. So there you go, we are connected both the devices to the same network and both are in airplane mode here. So let's just clear off all the background apps. So we are cleared off everything. Here also let's clear off all the apps. So there you go, we just cleared off all the background apps on both the devices. So let's start the speed test comparison of the Moto Edge 50 Neo and the Vivo T3 Pro. So let's get started with the speed test comparison. So once again clearing off all the background apps, let's start with Asphalt 9. So the game mode is enabled on both the devices. Let's see which opens Asphalt 9 faster. Surprisingly, Moto was slightly faster here. Next, let's go to BGMI. Let's see which opens BGMI faster. Once again, Moto has taken the lead here. Once again, Moto opens it faster. So, quite interesting here. Next is Play Store. I would say Vivo was slightly faster here. Chrome browser, Moto was faster here. Facebook, Moto was faster. Twitter, once again Moto is faster. Instagram, again Moto is faster. Spotify, again Moto is faster. Amazon, so we'll just skip this. Flipkart, again Moto is faster. File manager, exact same time. Settings, again Moto is faster. YouTube, here it was slightly faster on the Vivo. Gmail, once again Moto is faster. Camera, again Moto is faster. Gmail or other maps, here Vivo is faster. So you could see here Moto did have an advantage here in terms of opening of apps, and performance was slightly opening of apps was better, but you could see a lot of stutters in the UI of Moto. The animation was not that great, but again app opening time was pretty good on the Moto Edge 50 Neo. Next, let's see the memory management. So let's see if all the apps are retained in the memory or if anything is reloaded. Both have 8GB RAM, and let's see which retains all the apps in a memory. So as of now you can see here Vivo has reloaded this. Once again Vivo has reloaded it. Spotify, again reloaded on Vivo. Once again it is reloaded. Moto has kept almost all of the apps as of now. Here both apps are available in the memory. Once again this is reloaded. Play Store is available. Let's move on to the game. So once again Moto has retained it, while this has been reloaded on the Vivo T3 Pro. And finally Asphalt 9, once again it is retained. So Moto did an exceptional job with memory management and did a really good job retaining all the apps, while Vivo did have a lot of apps removing from the background, and the memory management was not that great. So that was the speed test comparison. Let's clear off all the background apps, and then we'll see the network speed, the speed of Wi-Fi. So here, so we connected both the devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Let's start with Moto. Almost similar values we got on both the devices, so there isn't much differentiate. Let's do the benchmark test, Antutu benchmark. So you can see here 6,41,000, here this is 8 lakh. So in synthetic benchmark, you can see here Vivo has a better chip because the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, it's more powerful here. Let's go to the storage test. So you can see here both are UFS 2.1 or rather UFS 2.2, and both have similar values here. And finally going to the Geekbench test. So we'll just take the results from here. So you can see here once again very similar values, although the Vivo T3 Pro has a slightly higher score, 3030 the multi-score, while this is 2892 and 1034 and 1131. So you could see that in terms of opening of apps, Moto did have an advantage, while the T3 Pro is a better device in terms of synthetic benchmarks. It also has a larger capacity battery, faster charging, but Moto has additional features like IP68, wireless charging, and host of other features. So that is the speed test comparison of the Moto Edge 50 Neo versus the Vivo T3 Pro. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.